Hi everyone. In this lesson, let's delve into escape sequences, which are special characters used in strings to represent non-printable or special characters. I have already created a class by giving name as escape sequences. Here are the commonly used escape sequences in Java. I have used multi-line comment here, so I have written these escape sequences as comment. We can see those, but it won't impact our code. So let's check them one by one. Before start, make sure your code inside the main method between these two brackets. Tab. This represents a horizontal tab. When used in a string, it adds space equivalent to a tab character. If I write hello world without tab sequence, the output will be this, as we know. And if I write hello world with newline sequence, the output will be this. It added space equivalent to a tab character. Moving on the another escape sequence, newline. This escape sequence is used to start a new line. So if I write hello world with newline sequence, the output will be this. It is acting like system out print line. So we can use same system out print statement to write more than one sentences. For example, if we add second sentence here with newline escape sequence, like I am writing Java is fun. See, it wrote Java is fun on newline. We can add more and more. Moving on, the next escape sequence is double quote. This allows you to include a double quote within a string. For example, I want to use double quotation, but Java is confused and giving me error. Without the escape sequence, if you simply used hello world within the string, it would prematurely end the string, and the compiler would interpret the rest as code outside the string. So, how are we going to use double quotation? This escape sequence ensures that the double quotes around the word hello world are treated as part of the string and not as delimiters indicating the end of the string. When we run the code, we see the double quotations on the console. Lastly, we will see how to write backslash. If you want to include a backslash in your string, you need to use double backslash, because a single backslash is an escape character itself. The string represents a file path, presumably on a Windows system. In file paths on Windows, backslashes are used as directory separators. That's why if we want to use single backslash, giving an error. The double backslashes ensures that each backslash is treated as a literal character, allowing the string to represent the intended file path without the backslashes being interpreted as escape characters. So, if we use it, we can see the single backslash is printed on the console. There are more escape sequences. I have explained commonly used escape sequences in Java. In the next session, we are going to delve into a crucial topic in Java: data types and variables. Thanks for watching.